Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play tall in Crusader Kings III. This playstyle focuses on building a powerful, prosperous realm through intensive development rather than widespread conquest. We'll explore how to maximize your income, innovate quickly, and cultivate exceptional characters. By concentrating your efforts on a few key counties, you can create an unassailable economic and military powerhouse, ensuring your dynasty's long-term success and influence across the map. Get ready to transform your small domain into a beacon of prosperity. Building a strong economy is paramount for tall play. Begin by identifying counties with excellent terrain, such as farmlands and available special building slots. These locations offer significant development growth and income potential. Focus on constructing economic buildings like farms, pastures, and trade ports, which can provide hundreds of gold per year. Crucially, assign your steward to increase development in your capital county, aiming for a development level of at least 50 to 60 for maximum benefit. This steady growth fuels all your ambitions. Your characters are the heart of your realm. Prioritize rulers with high stewardship for domain limit and income, or high learning for faster innovation. Educate your children and grandchildren carefully, ensuring they develop strong traits and high skills, especially in their primary lifestyle. Rapidly researching innovations is key. Aim to unlock crucial advancements like burghers or manorialism early. These innovations provide significant boosts to development, income, and military strength, giving your small realm a powerful edge over larger, less developed neighbors. Protecting your highly developed realm is crucial. Always maintain a strong personal army, focusing on high-quality men-at-arms that can punch above their weight. Forge strategic alliances with powerful neighbors to deter invasions. Carefully manage your succession laws, ideally moving towards primogeniture or house seniority to prevent your core domain from splitting. Avoid engaging in costly, unnecessary wars that drain your treasury and manpower. By focusing on internal stability and smart diplomacy, your dynasty will thrive for centuries, a testament to your tall play mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.